it's alright. I'm running from the scene of the crime. The last thing I need is to do what I've already done. Wishing I could rewind and start over. These thoughts to the well of my mind. I'm losing the battle I thought that I had already won. Wish is part of my life could be Sometimes I feel the sin rage in my soul. Sometimes I feel like just letting it take control. And then the pain I feel, the times I try would be the slightest regret that I just push away. And as I try to stand, my heart is filled with nothing but hurt. My feet are heavy as they're pushing me down in the dirt. And all I ask is you don't give up on me.